Welcome back to this lecture. Now in this lecture, we're gonna continue building our dashboard. And the next step is to change these charts element. They are darker now. We need to make it brighter. So to do that, similarly what we did here, select this individual chart like this, go to home and change the font to white like this. Now I feel this is a little bit bigger. Okay, let's keep it 12 and bold. Similarly for the second chart, select the chart and change the color to white, the font color. And for the third chart also same. Now here this looks a little bit smaller. Let's make it 14 or at least 12 and bold. Similarly here as well. And here we can make it black and bold as well. Go to insert, again shape, and here you can choose a different shape. I can choose this kind of shape. Let's draw it like this. Okay, this looks better. Again, we don't want any outline, and go to shape formats, send to back. And now you can change the shape itself, the shape color itself. This looks better. How about this? Nope. Gray. I think this is better, but it does matches with this kind of color, but then again there is a bit contrast. I think this is better. We can do one thing, we can change the color for these bars. So format data series, shape fill. Let's make it a different color, a little bit bright like this. Now it's better. And here as well for this series, the fill would be a little bit darker like this. You can always change the transparency as well. So you can do something like this. Okay. And also you can give effect, a preset like this. So it has some shadow effect. We can do this here as well. Shadow to the right. Okay, let's continue with our third chart. Bring it to the right like this and select individual charts, change the font color. In this first chart there were no data labels, so it's fine, but in the second one we have data labels, so let's make them bright white color like this. And here also we can increase the size to 12. And now it's time to bring the background. So go to insert, shapes, and this time I'm gonna choose this kind of rounded rectangular. And we can always change the shape like this. And looks okay. And send it to back, and you can choose the presets, something like this. Now the color for this sales series, which is a up down arrow, is almost matching with the background. So what we can do, we can go back to this chart and go to format and select the down bars 3, and let's change the color to a blue like this. Okay, or even lighter, something like this. So this looks okay, and we can see that color is a little bit dimmer for the red color. So for that we need to increase the color intensity for that. So let's go back again and choose the payments and format the selection And let's pick this kind of bright color or even the red like this. So now we can merge this background shape and this shape for the visualization. Select both, group. I think we didn't do for this chart, so let's do that as well. Group, so they are together. Here also they are together. You can always change the shape for individual elements. So in next lecture, we're gonna change the format for this particular donut chart, and also we'll create the cards. If any question in this particular lecture, please let me know in the Q&A section below. Thank you so much for watching.